Yes, we are right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with a new video. In today's video, we're gonna share with you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. In case you need to secure your connection when you are online, simply follow this video till the end and also subscribe on this channel, and by doing that you'll be able to get our latest videos on how to secure your connection when you are online. When you reach today, the app we're gonna share with you is on Google Play Store. Just open your Google Play Store, and when you reach on Google Play Store, simply search for this app, HK Tunnel. HK Tunnel. So you search for HK Tunnel VIP, and when you search for HK Tunnel VIP, you pick this one. So make sure to pick the right app, take note of the app name, and also take note of the app icon, and install the app. So after installing this app, before using it, make sure to read its terms and conditions and make sure to follow them, and also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country, and make sure to follow them. Lastly, make sure to read your ISP, Internet Service Provider, terms and conditions regarding VPN usage, and make sure to adhere with them accordingly. And after installing this app, you're required to set it up. Simply open the app. It will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So for today's guide, when you reach in the app, you must have a running internet for it to update its resources. So if you have a running internet, the app will automatically update to the latest version. And after updating the app, you're required to pick a server, or you can pick a connection method, but let's pick a server. So you tap here, then among the presented, you can pick auto server as your desired server, because it will automatically pick the best performing server in your location. And after that, you're required to pick a connection method, or you can pick your country name. So for today's video, we have chosen Uganda as our country. So this is because if you pick your country, this app will provide you with the settings tailored to your country, ready to secure your connection. So if you are not from this country, just pick your country and your connection will be secured in your chosen country. And after that, you are required to insert a fast and secure connection by tapping on this start button. So after tapping on the connection, the connect button, this app will be connected right away, as you can see right here, and your connection will be secured. So that's how we set up HK Tunnel VIP VPN to secure our online connection, add extra protection, and also to enhance on our online activities when we are online.